In this video, I'm going to give you an overview and a demonstration on the operation of the Barreto MT712 trencher. This is a residential trencher. It trenches 3 inches wide, adjustable up to 18 inches deep, and it is self-propelled. At the cutting chain, you're going to have teeth right here, and these angled pieces are kind of like scoopers. So these are actually going to pull the dirt out, and these teeth here, what's actually doing the cutting. You have a spiral auger right here, and what this is going to do is pull all the dirt out of the way so that you can keep trenching, and once your trench is done, there's not going to be any dirt inside the trench. Now this one in particular has a Honda 7-horse engine, and you have a fuel shutoff right here. The next one up, this tan lever, that's your choke, and this silver wider lever, that's your throttle. And this is your pull start. This unit does not have electric start. Starts up easily on one pull. So on the left side of the control handle, this is going to be your trenching chain activation. If you pull this towards the bar, it's going to activate the trenching chain. Over here on the right side of the control bar, this lever here is going to be your drive engagement. So you can move this lever forward or reverse, but it's not going to do anything until you pull this lever. If the lever is all the way up, it's going to go forward when I pull this. If I pull this back, it's going to go in reverse. This large lever right here goes up through these notches. That's going to be your trenching depth. So this actually has 4 set depth settings. So you're just going to lean back, pull the bar out, and you're going to put the trenching bar in whatever notch you want. All the way up there is going to be 18 inches. You got 16, 14, and 12. Now over here on the right side of the engine, you also have another on-off switch. So for some reason, if this doesn't start, one of these 2 ignition switches is probably in the off position. So now I'm going to show you this unit in action. I'm going to trench 18 inches deep across the backyard. Now this is a residential unit, it's not a commercial unit. So my recommendation is if you're going to trench over 75 feet long, you might want to look at a bigger unit. Especially if you're down south where you got really hard packed clay, you might want a bigger unit to trench that much length. If you're going to do about a 100-foot long trench with this, plan on about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. It's just not that heavy duty. If you got a 50-foot length, if you're going to run electricity from your house out to a back garage, this is perfect. So check it out in action. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the overview of the Barreto MT712 in action and all of its features. If you're looking for a trencher to do some work in your backyard, check out your local rental store and check out this unit. Thanks for watching.